everyone, welcome to another vlog from Circle Chess. This one's straight from the heart of Mumbai once again. Hope you enjoyed our first vlog. This is just the beginning of many exciting moments from the world of chess that we want to show you. Today we headed straight to a very special destination. Yes, the Chessbase India office located in Mumbai. And here we are outside the Chessbase India office. As I entered, I met Raju, who is the office manager, super warm and welcoming. He gave me a tour of the office, which we will be uploading in our very next video. But here's a small glimpse just for you. And right in the same building is the Temple of Chess, a quiet, powerful space where anyone is welcome. You can come, play, read, and explore a wide collection of books. It's more like a public chess library, which is open to all who love the game. I completely enjoyed. I also got to play with one of the regular players there. There was this special moment when I met Shreyas, a young chess enthusiast with an intellectual disability. His passion and joy for the game truly stood out. You can watch how his father brought him to the Temple of Chess and gently guides and supports him as to how he could analyze a game. This was a powerful reminder to me of how inclusive and beautiful the world of chess can be.
Let's say if this knight kills this knight, then what will you do? If this knight takes this knight, then what will you do? Very good, very good, very good, very good. चलो अच्छा है, ओके. सो इतना समझ में आया ना. अभी एक काम करो, इसको रिवर्स करो, उसको वापस इधर रखो. Keep that black piece here. Keep this white piece here. Okay. Now see what is the next move. क्या लिखा है? Queen B6.
Yeah.
Queen B6. किसका टर्न है? ब्लैक का है ना? हाँ तो Queen B6 करो. Queen to E6. Now can you follow this game?
Yes.
So I want to talk to you. Okay?
Isn't it really nice to see how chess creates such a calming and joyful space for everyone? And then I got to meet the creative head and one of the editors of Chessbase India, Abhyudaya, who was just back after covering a tournament. And then we wrapped up the day with a lovely walking interview with Dr. Vijay, the event head at Chessbase India. We spoke about the growing impact of chess clubs and events and how beautifully they are shaping the game's future. She also shared how Circle Chess is helping streamline workflows and support their initiatives.
Now I think everyone has seen you in events and all the club events that you organize.
Yes, and it's so fascinating for me when I look back at my journey, because I started with a Teach Chess India tournament which was going on. I just as an outsider, they invited me to be a part of that tournament, and then to organizing that tournament second edition.
Yeah.
And being there to volunteer at the camp to organizing those same camps. So it's like a full circle kind of a moment that I do come across sometimes.
And Circle Chess now handles all the registrations in your events. So how has that streamlined your workflow?
It has been very, 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 I would say, moving from manual labor to a digital space has been a big relief for us. Because for past 3 years, we actually membership started since just 2 years at Phoenix. So past 2 years we have been managing everything at a manual level. So whoever is sitting at the chess club will take in the registrations only in that 5 to 7 duration on a Saturday. So someone has to all the time come offline. The fact that you would always need to have someone over there to manage the membership, all of that is a lot of man hours that goes into it, which is all streamlined with Circle Chess now, because people have the flexibility to be able to do it all seamlessly in a digital interface.
We will be soon uploading all these individual videos on our YouTube channel. Stay tuned.